Hey guys, welcome back. So today I thought I should sit down and show you guys everything that I picked up during the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. So I was doing like a live the other day on my Instagram. A lot of you were asking me what I picked up and I did want to like show everything that I did. So some of the things I already have on my face right now because I could not help myself but try so that I could just talk a little bit more about them. The first thing that I have is actually an opened packet of this mascara from L'Oreal. This is their voluminous lash paradise mascara. So this is waterproof. I would call this like a cheaper version of their real mascara because I feel like it almost gives like the same effect. I'm just gonna come closer and show you guys because I have it on. So it's very lengthening and separating, but it does not really give any volume. So the results are kind of similar. I don't hate it. I don't like absolutely love it. It's somewhere there in between, but I hope it's like easy to clean because waterproof mascaras usually can be like a pain in the bum to clean. Okay, so the next thing that I'm wearing on my face is something that I'm super excited about, and this is something that I have been wearing quite a lot. Honestly, I've not been wearing quite a lot of makeup lately, and if I do, then I try to keep it very minimal, very simple, fuss at all. So I decided to get some more of those liquid eyeshadows that I've been wearing. If you've seen most of my previous tutorials, I was using a lot of the Nykaa Gold liquid eyeshadow, the glitter eyeshadow, and this is something similar from Wet n Wild. I would highly recommend that you try some of these out because I was very surprised with the formula and the way it looked on my eyes. So this is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is called Cashmere Love. So this is again something that I'm wearing on my eyes right now. I hope it's visible in this light. So it's very shimmery, it's very cool toned, and it looks really nice. I would definitely recommend that you go check out some more of these because I feel bad that I haven't picked up more colors, and this is priced at ₹4.99, so it's super affordable. It was on sale, so I think now would be like the best time to kind of stock it up. Speaking of eyeshadows, I got one more eyeshadow that has more like the foiled effect. So this is the Makeup Revolution Flawless Foils in Rose Gold. So it's more like a cranberry color than a rose gold. When I see it in person, I got it thinking it was rose gold, but it turned out to be much more pink than I expected it to be, but I don't mind it because I really like cranberry shades on my eyes. So I haven't touched this. This is the first time I'm seeing how it looks. I could only see the color. So basically it comes with two things. It has an intensifying primer that you could use before to kind of mix with the foil to kind of give it that very wet sort of effect. And this is what the packaging looks like. It just is called Rose Gold, and I'm actually kind of excited to try this. Ooh, it's wet. It's like a creamy formula, but I'm just gonna like super pigmented as well. Makeup Revolution has quite a lot of offers going on right now. You guys can check out their setting spray. I remember using, like, totally finishing up their setting spray. It's really nice. You could try that out. And also their blush palettes. That's very nice. And one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes of all time, Fortune Favors the Brave eyeshadow palette, is by Makeup Revolution. So if you are looking forward to buying some eyeshadow palettes, you could definitely check out Makeup Revolution. Okay, so the next thing I'm actually super excited about, this is from Maybelline. This is their Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Now I have been meaning to get my hands on this for the longest time, ever since it was released. This is the shade that I picked up. It's medium, number 25 medium, and I tried it on today on my face, and thankfully it is exactly my shade right now. The powder is very thinly milled and it's super soft, and it's like really nice. I'm actually super duper impressed with the way the powder works. If you end up putting a little too much, you can end up looking cakey, so you have to apply like a very fine amount, especially like if you like doing your makeup, like if you like baking and stuff, then you can definitely use this to bake. I can tell that this was made for that purpose, but I don't like that baking finish underneath my eyes, so I just use like a very loose fluffy brush to apply this all over my face to set my foundation, because I have really exceptionally oily skin. So all in all, I am very impressed with this, and I'm definitely going to use this a lot. As you can tell, like a little bit goes a long way, and Maybelline Fit Me is a great range, especially when it comes to like color match and everything. Next, I picked up this from Lakme. This is their Kareena Kapoor Khan Lakme Absolute Pout Definer. Honestly, I wasn't really impressed with the Kareena Kapoor Khan collection, but then I saw Malvika do a tutorial the other day wearing like a blue, like a cobalt blue eyeliner. We were shooting the same day and she looked really nice, and I was really impressed with the way she made use of the products. I've not really heard good things about the foundation, so I didn't really want to try it, but I did want to try at least one lipstick from the range, so I decided to give this one a go. She was like talking a lot about all her red lipsticks. So this is in the shade Seductress. Honestly, I haven't tried it yet. It's still brand new. I just took it out of the packaging. Let me know what you guys think of the Kareena Kapoor Khan collection. Honestly, I was not excited about it at all. All I thought was it was just repackaged products used in her name is what I think it was. And yeah, that's all I can think about the KKK collection. Next, I also decided to try two of the Nykaa Ultra Matte shades. One of them I'm wearing right now. I'm actually very impressed with it. This is the Nykaa Ultra Matte in the shade Diana. It's a very nice dusty rose, and that's exactly the kind of color I was looking forward to today. And since I'm doing this haul, so I thought I should just wear it so that you guys could see the color and the finish as well. It's super soft and moist, yet matte. And the next color I have is Marilyn. It's a very, very beautiful true red, a very nice warm red, and I remember trying this on at the party and I really like this. So these two are actually my favorites from the Ultra Matte collection, so I got them. Oh my god, guys, finally I have the Hoonah Beauty foundation. It took me forever to get my hand on it. Finally. But like most of the people have told me like it's too thick, and I like my foundation like not too thick. Like I do not do Instagram makeup. Like I've realized I do not like that sort of makeup. Like this is the makeup look that I am comfortable with. When I'm doing looks for YouTube, I absolutely love trying out new things, going all va voom. But even though when I do like colorful looks, I try to keep it very wearable. And I just cannot do that extreme Instagram thick cakey makeup where with that I mean, like, you know, you're wearing like a liquid contour shade, then you put a powder on, then you put your foundation on, and then you put like a powder bronzer, and then you put like more concealer, and then you bake your face, and then you apply 5 kilos of highlighter, and then you apply fake lashes, and then you apply 5 colors on your eyes. I do not have the patience to do that anymore, but I'm actually looking forward to trying the foundation, even though everyone said that it's too heavy for them, and like the moment you want to apply it, you just take pictures and then you want to get done with it. But it's Hoonah Beauty. I just want to try. I mean, like, I really like her eyeshadows. So let's see how this works. But the thing is, I got it in the shade Amarati, which is going to be my shade, which is NC 40 in MAC. But the thing is, I'm not NC 40 right now because I went to Fifi and I'm like super tanned right now. So I'm normally a shade cashew in the Estee Lauder Clinique sort of foundations, and right now I am bronze, which is like 1 shade darker. So Amarati is not going to match me right now, so I'm gonna wait for the tan to kind of go away. I think by the time mid-December I'm gonna go back to my normal color, so I am gonna try it out then. Till then, you guys can let me know what do you guys think of the Hoonah Beauty foundation. Okay, so the next thing is actually a PAC foundation. This is the PAC HD foundation, and I'm still keeping it in its package because this I got from my mom. She uses this religiously and she just finished one bottle of this, and this is the foundation that she wanted. I made her try quite a lot of foundations, but this is the one that she absolutely loves, and this is in the shade 3.3. So I'm keeping it packed and sealed for my gorgeous mommy. And lastly, I have like a couple of skincare things. By couple I mean literally 2 skincare things. I have like a pocket size Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. It's one of my favorite. I was traveling, so I completely finished my travel size sunscreen and I really needed a replacement, so I got this. And Neutrogena has quite a lot of offers going on as well, so you guys can go check that out too. Lastly, I have been meaning to try the L'Oreal clay masks. I don't know why I've never tried it. And you know, honestly, I think influencers made me buy this because I see it like being like there on all the pictures and everyone's like kind of multi-masking using it. I felt left out, so I thought I should give it a go. And I got this package because it has like 3 of them. So this is the Insta Detox one. And I've got the brightening one with charcoal. So next I have the mattifying one with eucalyptus, because Lord knows I need mattification in my face. Is that even a word? What do you have? This is the exfoliate. Oh my god, this is the one I was excited about. So this is the one which is the exfoliating one with red algae, and I've heard like a lot of people talk good things about it, so I'm excited to try it. So these are the 3 things that I actually look forward to when I do like skincare, like exfoliate, brighten. I think I broke the bottle. Thankfully the bottle didn't break. I was scared. Oh, the cap chipped. Because I heard something break and the cap chipped. It's okay as long as the product didn't go to waste and it still shuts. What a loser. Broke it the first day I opened it. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.